Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset network settings on iPhone 16e. So in order to do it, you need to go to the settings first. Then go to General and scroll all the way down. Then you'll see the Transfer or Reset iPhone option. Now click on Reset. Be careful not to click on Erase all content and settings, because if you click on that, then go further with the OK buttons, you will reset your whole phone. So be careful with that. Click on Reset and this should show. Then you can click on Reset Network Settings, and remember that if you do it, then it'll forget all the Wi-Fi networks as well as unpair all the Bluetooth devices that you have on your iPhone. So I'm just gonna reset it, then the iPhone should restart, and after it restarts you will of course need to connect to the new Wi-Fi network and pair your Bluetooth devices again if you had any. So now it's rebooting. And now it is reboot. As I unlock it, you can see that in Wi-Fi I don't have any network connected and I need to connect again to the network. And on Bluetooth I also don't have any devices. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.